Hi, welcome to the Garden Divas YouTube channel. I'm Katie.
And I'm Jess.
And today we're going to be looking at another gardening product that we stock at Garden Divas. We've just had the bank holiday weekend. It's been really hot and sunny, hasn't it?
Very nice.
But we haven't had very much rain for a while, which means the ground is really hard. So we're looking today at the Sneeboer heart-shaped trowel. Which is really good for working in the hard soil. So let's have a look at Ginny from Garden Divas working in the garden with this trowel at the weekend.
Thanks, Jenny, for your great vid. So this is the Sneeboer. We trying to have a discussion on actually how to pronounce it.
Yeah, we don't have to say it. So
it's from the Netherlands, so it's obviously pronounced with some sort of accent. So this beautiful stainless steel head. It's actually heart shaped. I was saying to Katie, why is it heart shaped? But it's just a thoughtfully designed piece. So it's stainless steel. It's an ashwood handle. This one has Garden Divas engraved into it.
And this one's plain.
Nice plain one. So this is the £39.95, and with a plain one in.
Yeah, it's 36. So 36. If you've got a Garden Diva in your life, then this is the one.
Great for a gift, isn't it?
Yeah, really good gift.
So these are specially designed for planting your bulbs, getting to smaller plant pots, and especially in this hard weather, like we were saying earlier.
Yeah.
It's got a really, really sharp point.
It's actually really sharp, isn't it, when you touch it?
Yeah.
Like here. So if you keep it in like a tool bag or anything, maybe keep it protected. Or doesn't scratch anything else.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, great for getting nice and deep into the hard soil without having to use too much effort.
Yeah. So yeah, really good for the dry weather, but one of the favourites really with Ginny, who runs the Garden Divas company. Yeah, as Jess was saying, it's from Sneeboer. Who you might have heard of because Monty Don uses his planting trowel, which will feature in another video, in his garden. So this is from the same range. They're a Dutch company and they've been making tools for over 100 years. So they're really well designed, they're really practical. But you know, these heart-shaped ones, they just look really nice too, don't they? So like, especially if you've got a female gardener, and maybe it's your partner, then the heart's just a really nice little touch, but still practical.
Yeah.
And if you are putting together a gardening gift, we've also got, for your very own Garden Diva, these really nice hanging signs which says a Garden Diva lives here. So it's just a really nice idea to put the trowel together with the hanging sign to make a thoughtful present, and the sign's only £7.95. So it's just a cute little extra to put in the house.
Yeah.
We just thought we'd show you a close-up of the trowel so that you can see the lovely engraving on the handle. Hey, so to finish off, we thought we'd just show you the difference between the old Dutch style planting trowel, which I mentioned earlier, which is this one, which Monty Don is a fan of using, and the heart-shaped trowel. So as you can see, there's quite a big size difference. This is 25 centimetres, isn't it? So this is a really good hand tool. But if you wanted something bigger, then this is the one to go for. And this, we will show you an action shot of this in another video. But if, just in case you're interested, this one is £45.95.
So,
okay,
that's it on our Sneeboer planting trowel.
Yes. We hope you like this video. Please leave us a comment or a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, and we'll pop the links down below.
Yeah, we'll have the links to all these products. They're all available on our website. And yeah, put them together and make a gardening gift for a green-fingered person in your family. And we'll see you next week for our next vid. Thank you.
Ready? Okay, go.
You're starting.
Okay.
Can you start? What's this?
Sneeboer planting trowel.
Oh, Dutch style.
Video as well. It's
Still hand forged.